Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Centre. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. Question 11. Booking tickets. A person booking train tickets. Example, I need 2 tickets for train. Complete above scenario. Answer, scenario, booking tickets, person booking train tickets. Characters, customer and ticket clerk. Conversation. Customer, good morning. I'd like to book 2 train tickets, please. Clerk, good morning. Where would you like to travel? Customer, I need tickets from Jamshedpur to Tanagar, to Ranchi. Clerk, sure. For which date and time? Customer, tomorrow, on the 10:30 a.m. train. Clerk, all right. Would you like sleeper class or AC? Customer, sleeper class, please. Clerk, okay. The total for 2 tickets will be 600 Indian rupees. Please provide your ID proof for the booking. Customer, here's my Aadhaar card. Clerk, thank you. Processes the booking, here are your tickets. Please reach the station 30 minutes before departure. Customer, thank you so much. Clerk, you're welcome. Have a safe journey. This scenario helps learners practice travel-related conversations and understand essential train booking vocabulary. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Centre. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.